Which answer best fits the model below? So this model shows 4 pieces of longer blocks and 2 pieces of 1 blocks. And each of this line contains 10 blocks, right? And then this is 1. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. We have to times by 4, which will be 0 times 4 equals to 0, and 1 times 4 is 4, 40. And then 1 times 2 will be 2. And 40 plus 2 will be 42, so it will be B. Next, what's the value of the underlined digit below? So, the first one is ones, called ones, and the second digit is tens, and third one is hundreds, right? But it underlined below 3, so it will be 3 ones, which will be B. What number is shown by the place value model below? So this whole piece has 100 small blocks, and then like what we did on the first question, this line has 10 blocks, right? And then there's 1, 2 lines, so times 2, which will be 20. And then 100 plus 20 will be 120, right? So it'll be A. Next page. What is the value of underlined digit? So like what we did on the second question, the first one is ones, second one is tens, and third one is hundreds, right? And then in underline below 8, so it'll be 8 hundredths, which will be C. Next one, which place value model shows 6 ones? So when we look at A, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, and B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then D has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're finding 6 ones, so it will be C. Next one, fill in the missing number below. So 62 equals 2 blank tens and blank ones. 62 has 6 tens, right? So it's 6 over here, and then 2 ones. So it will be letter D. Okay, next one. Next page, what's the value of the model below? So like what we said last time, this one big piece is contain 100 small blocks, right? And we have 1, 2. So we have to do 100 times by 2. 0 times 2 is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, and then 1 times 2 is 2, so 200, which will be C. What is the value of underlined digit below? So ones, tens, hundreds, and then it's underlined below 7, right? So it'll be 7 tens, which will be A. Last question, find the total value of the blocks below. So each of this has 100 blocks, right? And then one of this line has 10 small blocks. So we have to times 100 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, which would be 400. And then 10 times 2 is 20, so plus 20. It would be 420. So it's B. Next, find the correct answer to the problem below. So 400 equals to blank tens. And 400, in 100 there is 10 tens. And in 400, it will be 4 times 10, which will be 40 tens. And it's 40. And then what is the value of underlined digit? So there are ones, tens, hundreds, and the fourth one will be thousands. So it will be 2000s, which will be letter D. Last question, find the total value of blocks below. So each of this is 100, right? And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to times by 4. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. So the answer will be 400, which will be B.